Hey guys, this is Rue Destination and I'm Kshitij, and today we are going to do unboxing of this Samsung 7 Series RU7100 Smart TV unboxing. So now we are removing the paperwork, stands and other paperwork. Now we'll remove the thermocol. Now we'll remove the plastic which is covered with the TV. Now we have removed the TV. Now we will put it flat on the sofa because that's the way it is done. If you keep it on a hard surface, it might damage the TV. Now let's keep the box to the side. Now we have applied the screws and this is how it looks from the behind. Now we will do the setup for this TV. Meanwhile, I'll give you a specs overview of this television. So this Samsung 7 series RU7100 specs are: it has QHD processor, 4K HDR display, slim design, smart remote, AirPlay and Smart View. It has Dolby Digital plus audio and plus it has Bluetooth. So now I have done the setup for this TV and this is how the remote looks. This is the volume rocker. This is the channel button. This is the it has a dedicated Netflix and Amazon Prime Video and browser button. This is the back key, this is the home key, this is the play and pause key. This is a multifunction button. This is for the voice commands and this is for the numbers. Now let's turn on the TV.
Or 81305.
Let's mute it. So in this TV you get some free movies also over here. And most of the movies are Tamil. Only very few movies are Hindi. And it has Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Z5, Apple TV and YouTube. Now let's play a YouTube video real quick so that you can judge the video quality and audio quality of this TV. So this is the Ultra HD 4K video. As you can see, the video quality is really good. Let's maximize the volume. So as you saw, the video was very good and the audio was also pretty loud. Now let's play another video. You can change the video quality into settings and you can check it. So this is 4K, this is 144p, this is 1080p. So let's play it in 4K. So as you saw, the video quality is really good. The display of this TV is also really good, and the speakers are also really good. So now this TV has Mirrorlink and Smart View both. Screen mirroring is for iPhones and Smart View is for Android devices. So I have this Note 9, so I will click on Smart View. It will show me my TV's name over here, Samsung 7 series 43 inch, and now my screen will get mirrored over here. As you can see, I can play anything from my phone directly over here. I can even play Amazon Prime Video, as you can see. And I can even play YouTube. Same is for iOS devices, as you can see. Now you can turn off screen mirroring. by this phone. Now let's go into settings. And this TV has this 4 modes. This is movie mode. Then this is dynamic mode. Then this is standard mode. And this is natural mode. I prefer to keep it in natural mode. In dynamic and standard, it's very vibrant and it's very bright. So I personally don't like it. And this is the sound mode also, amplifier, standard and optimized. I keep it in amplifier mode, so the bass and everything is very pronounced. I like that. Let's see what else we have. You can connect this TV to the Wi-Fi, and it is already connected to my Wi-Fi. That's it for this unboxing guys. This is Kshitij signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.